Tangsalo Rajakhor Agulini Pragna Bahvano building a unicorn workshop Pandao. Virtually Bisingtwi Rice Mungwi Kaisa digital portal Inauguration Khlaijakha. Abobai entrepreneurs stroke 2.72 crore ni Chubachu Manai. Pandao Manjakha Mantri Pranajit Singha Khobwi Adongrok.
This is Priya, 24 years old.
Ashlin Pandao Coxanani Thaki Mantri Pranajit Singha Shaka Katal startup rider Singha Iagulo 185 application Joma Khlaijakha. Abani Bising 140 register Khlaidani Goshimung Manka 70 startup Goshimung Manka Tabushak Zorati Chubachu Rajakhor 2 crore 72,000 rang mari Abai Hinin Shaka Mantri Pranajit Singha.
That startup Tripura has exchanged memorandum of understanding with Johor or startups, Amazon and HDFC Bank. These partnerships will provide startup access to business, technology, digital market opportunities, banking and financial services required to take their ventures forward. This type of collaboration is important for building a strong and sustainable startup ecosystem and ensuring that our entrepreneurs get the support they need to scale their business. Before concluding, I would like to thank TIAF for partnership with Startup Tripura and supporting our dream of building a vibrant innovation ecosystem in the state. I also thank Skyroot Aerospace, Johor for startups, Amazon and HDFC Bank for joining hands with the Startup Tripura. I want message for every entrepreneurs and potential presence here today. Don't build a startup just to be successful. Build a startup to solve a real problem and success will come naturally. Dream boldly, innovate fearlessly, create solutions that create real value or utility, builds institutions that bring jobs and prosperity, bring Tripura's ideas, products and technologies to the court of India and the world.
Shri Thiruvenkadam N.
Rajakhor Agulini Chini Khorang.